Speaker, when the second round of Canada Summer Jobs applications was announced, it was mentioned that additional funding could be forthcoming. Now I'm hearing from qualified applicants like the Maple Ridge Downtown Business Association who are being denied. Service Canada is telling members of Parliament to tell applicants, sorry, there wasn't enough money. Well, Madam Chair, why should we do the government's bidding for them? Not enough money? Madam Chair, how is it possible that the Liberal government has $105 million to spend on jets for the minister and her colleagues to fly around the country and not enough money for a $4,000 youth summer job in my community?
Honourable Minister.
I thank the member for his question, and I'll remind him that since our government came into to power, we have doubled the number of Canada Summer Jobs available to communities across the country. This year, as part of our $9 billion investment in students, we created an additional 116,000 jobs. I would say the fact that there are so many jobs out there is great news for young people, Madam Speaker. This program is indeed oversubscribed because of the flexibilities we added and a second round of calls. We're working to see how we can support businesses, but let's not forget, Madam Speaker, that this is great news for our future.
Dalton?
Madam Chair, the Maple Ridge Downtown Business Association was going to use their summer jobs funding to hire 2 downtown ambassadors to work with struggling small businesses, assist them with signage and pamphlets, as well as educating the public regarding social distancing, directing them to hand washing stations, and providing masks. They have received Canada Summer Jobs funding for years and have been a tremendous service to our community. I've been in communication with the executive director for the past months and told her that based upon their history, past funding, how important the work is, especially during this time of COVID, that I was confident they would receive funding. We just had to wait and wait and wait. How in the world is it possible, Madam Chair, that the government has money for private jets but no money for a non-profit that is trying to help struggling small businesses and improve public health and safety?
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, I am happy to work with the member on his CSJ applications and allotment, and I can tell him that I know how beautiful Maple Ridge is. I've been there many times, and I look forward to figuring out how we can indeed support employers in his riding and employers across the country as we invest in more jobs for young people. Thank you.
Mr. Dalton.
Madam Chair.